So guys, we are getting into the jungle, and actually this is almost like a closing time.
ಸರ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಕಾ? ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog on my channel Between This and That. Well guys, in today's vlog we are going to take you all through the Mudumalai forest. Yes, this is going to be a adventurous safari gypsy ride. So we are extremely excited to get started with the ride and let us see which wild animals we are going to spot. But even before that, we have also uploaded another vlog which is about journey from Bangalore to Masinagudi. In that video, we have described the complete stay details and much more. So without wasting your time, I think you should definitely go and check out that video as well. If you are planning to visit Ooty, then you will have to go through two forest area, that is Bandipur forest from the Karnataka region, and once you cross the checkpost you will get the Mudumalai forest which is in the Tamil Nadu region. It is totally your choice where you can actually make the safari ride worth it. In this video you can definitely watch all the details about the pricing as well. We had decided to take a safari gypsy ride which costed us about 4,200 plus 130 each person. Last time we had also been to Bannerghatta safari which is in Bangalore, and there we had experienced the bus safari. However, this time we thought why not let's try with the gypsy ride. After completing its ride, it actually took a while to reach the destination. So we waited for about an hour so that we can get into our next ride. We actually had a conversation with the people who just visited the forest just to understand if they were able to spot any animal. But yes, to our surprise, they were only able to spot very few animals. However, we did not lose our hope. We still kept the hopes high and we were just wishing that we will be able to see more and more wild animals. The ride that we had taken was one of the last evening slot ride. So we were just hoping that the animals would actually come out to drink water, and maybe this would be a very good opportunity to spot the animals.
Hi guys, so we are finally going to safari. So we chose this gypsy safari and I think this is the best decision.
There were few discussion going around that in Bandipur the cost is comparatively lesser. However, we are not really sure on those lines. If you are visiting, you can definitely do that as well. You can check the pricing that's there in the Bandipur region and also in the Mudumalai region. As you can see, we started our journey and the first thing we spotted was bison.
So guys, we are getting into the jungle, and actually this is almost like a closing time. It's I think around 5:30, and I think this is a very good time to spot animals. So it's getting darker and darker, and I think that's getting us more and more exciting. fingers crossed. We are hoping to see animals, something other than deer and bison at least. Let's hope for the best. And also I think this is highly recommended if you are planning to come for safari, and if you are thinking to go by bus, but I guess the best option is to take a gypsy, something like this where you can actually stand and watch.
So during the Mudumalai Forest Safari, they will firstly take you to this amazing place. So as you have already seen in the video, we were not able to spot much of an animal, but definitely this spot was worth it. It was an amazing experience to be there at the edge of the point and then look at this beautiful view.
ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Alright guys, here we are ending this safari ride video. I hope you guys liked it and got plenty of information about the safari and the pricing as well. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, it is now time to go and subscribe. So this shot that you are seeing is nothing but a small glimpse of our Masinagudi stay, and we are just now leaving from Masinagudi after having the amazing safari experience and stay. So if you have not watched our stay video, then please do check it out as well as please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. If you have liked this video, then do share it with your friends and family as well, so that you can make your next trip to Ooty, Masinagudi and the safari ride the most memorable one. Alright guys, it's time to say bye bye. Take care.